Okay.
OMG. It's easy to make.
Okay.
It's pretty good. I want some milk so bad. We're almost out.
Are you crying?
Oh, no. I love milk. Oh gosh, it shows my double chin.
So the guest bedroom or the junk room?
Junk room.
Okay. No. Oh, I forgot to tell you. That's been filming the entire time.
Before you stop watching, that song.
What?
Whoop, there it is.
Yeah.
Hoop? Is it hoop or whoop?
What song goes hoop? There it is.
Showing tracks from
Grandma?
You know, my chin was so big. You heard that joke before. It's better to have friends with two chins than two faces. Should we lean or back up?
Just how we are. Sit here. Here with my grandma.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Shoot. Why did I do that? Hi, everyone. It said Connor is pregnant. It was supposed to say Connor is... I don't even know. But it turned out and it said pregnant. It's like, yeah, haha. This is a really laugh. I have a belly. For every subscriber we get, I'll drink a glass of milk. I like milk. Mine looks like I have shoulder pads on. Squeeze the spinach. And with my shoulder pads on, I have to act tough, you know. Vienna sausage. Your mom?
Tastes different. What?
I forgot the Miracle Whip. Oh, I think I made them too big.
You're scraping the guacamole. No.
All green on this side for this team. This is the Vikings. I forget who's in the Super Bowl.
No.
The Chiefs. No, the Chiefs got beat. Patriots and New England? No.
It's the same team.
Oh. But they won. No, they didn't win last year.
Well, they
the
don't.
Eagles won last year.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I'm putting this.
These are.
If you're vegan, you could use rocks for the base and asparagus for the goalpost. Be precise, my children. Whoops! I knocked the goalpost down.
And then a player, and then his helmet across the field.
Oh no! Sorry, Tom Brady. Maybe we should deflate these for Tom Brady.
This is Marmite. I think the Australians have it. Oh, okay. So now we're spreading the
chocolate?
Marmite. Yeah, it's chocolate.
Is there garlic in it?
Ingredients: yeast extract, salt, carrot and onion extracts, spice extracts.
I brought some milk to drink with it.
Hold
So
it
I
up.
like milk.
Ready? Go.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. You're kidding me. People really like that stuff? Oh. I don't even know what it tasted like. Like, kind of like some kind of, I don't know, aftershave. Dirty socks. Good I had my big glass of milk. This is so gross.
These aren't the only cuties in the building.
One grew over on your land. Now, whose watermelon would that be? I don't know, but if you step on it, it's busted.
What?
Isn't that funny?
For St. Patrick's Day, we're making. Could you
Seeing
not?
if your hat lights up.
Sure. What do you mean? You have to approve of it?
Yeah. Out from. Whoops, my ears fell off. Ah! I'm bald!
So watch and learn, kiddies. Grandma, say it.
Watch and learn, I'm messing up. Shoot. I'm gonna have to do another one.
Good job. And have a good St. Patrick's Day.
I thought we were ready to say bye.
What does EYES spell?
Yes.
Think about it. Think about it, okay? YES.
Okay.
It spells YES.
Yes.
EYES.
Yes. What did you spell?
Think about it. EYES.
Eyes.